When little kids are charged with taking care of their own siblings in the home or getting themselves up or making sure that, they're waking up mom or dad in the morning, they have a very hard time coming to school and taking direction from us. The best thing you can do when it comes to things like authority and adult relationships is to think of like a script. I love scripts. So a script could be like, we're in school. So when a kid comes in and says, I don't have to do that at home, we're in school. That's all you got to say. And if every adult, if you use that, the cooperating teachers use that, even administrators use that, if they all say, we're in school, this is how we say it. Oh yeah, we're in school. So I want eventually, when I say, hey, we're in school, that kid who just, swears like a trooper, I want them to be able to say, we're in school. They'll be, oh yeah, that's right, we're in school. They're going to go home and they're going to act the way they do at home. I can't stop that. I'm only concerned with the way you behave in school. Because what do you want more than anything? For them to learn from behaving a certain way at school is different than out at home. Where are they going to take that later on in life? To their work, to their businesses, to their big successes, whatever they're going to take that stuff.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.